Video 911. Source code is here. You're on the fast playlist. Slower video here. Let's go. Okay, in the illegal section, we have some monkey wrench macros here for misspellings of constants. Inside of BombSimp, the bomb simulation code. Inside of BombSimp if we scroll down here, here's our loop going through every single room, going through every single tile in that room. Scrolling down here is where we were getting the 8 bits of the bomb memory from the red channel of our pixel that stores the bomb. And this is not new code, I'm just revisiting it. Inside of Blow to Hell right here, this section right here, this is old code too. This is where we emit the explosion. The new code is right here. Save last 2 bits. So the last 2 bits of our 8-bit bomb data in the red channel, we're just gonna save them, and we're gonna shift to the right by 0. So this is interpreted as unsigned logic U2B for unknown 2 bits. Unknown 2 bits. Okay, remcool, the section of code that we needed to do, also known as coolrem now. Bombs 1 through 3 are spark pins, 4 through 7 are laser boxes. So if it's a spark pin or a laser box, then bomb is void constant means bomb cooldown. We're gonna pack the bomb type, bomb cooldown, and the unknown 2 bits back into the red channel of our bomb data. Shift to the right by 0 to make sure this is interpreted as unsigned logic. And then eventually we need to set the cooldown timer as well. Okay, otherwise, if we have a Jax bomb, 8 through 11, box bomb, 12 through 15, then if that is the case, then the bomb is void constant, BIV, that now stands for bomb is gone. So we're going to take the exact same memory address of the red channel of our bomb data. We're going to put the bomb type back in. Now it's called bomb gone, and then we're going to put on those unknown 2 bits. We're going to put them back as well. Shift by 0, this is interpreted as unsigned logic. We need to make the shader actually render bomb gone as, like, not visible if it's a explosive box bomb or Jax bomb, but we'll do that in another video. Otherwise, stop milking the cow. That's it. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. Source code, ways of getting a hold of me, and license. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. It's a fully destructible Bomberman MMO. So if you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this.